Over here, officer. No weapon. Over here, officer. No weapons. You're safe. Is it all right if I come out to you? There's no weapons, so don't kill me.
You should stay in the car. Stay in the car.
I'm getting my papers. I'm getting my papers. Don't kill me. I have no weapons. I'm getting my papers. That's it. I am an establishment of religion. I'm getting my papers, sir. Hey, there is legal documents in here. That's all I'm getting.
Okay, well, right now I'm telling you to step away from the truck. We'll worry
Okay.
about documents.
No, this is the First Amendment of the Constitution, sir. That you sworn oath to uphold. And that's all I'm getting is my documentation. That's all I'm getting. I'm trying to be reasonable with you. It's only papers. It's only papers. I'll drop it.
Now your ID, Inspector?
I'm going to show you my identification. This is an irrevocable trust, which is a convention, which is a person I have the right to be secured in. Use the Fourth Amendment against unreasonable physical speech. Now, my question to you is, are you prohibiting the free exercise thereof an establishment of religion by pulling me over?
So the reason for the traffic stop is because you were reported
Yes, I
associated
understand.
with suspicious
That's
activity at the
security guard, not me. I have nothing to do with that, and I am hungry. He stopped me from eating, and I'm going to eat. I am very hungry right now. I have broken no law.
Does that have your name on it?
Yes. Daily Bridget, I'm not going to touch you. I'll show you right here. Your legal name, right here. Right here. Daily Bridget Ministry Trust.
I'm fine, and I'm not breaking the law. I have a service dog that's very upset right now, and I have a service dog because of anxiety, and this is giving me a lot of anxiety. I also have medical issues. We were trying to finish some work and eat dinner. We were prohibited from doing that because of an officer, a security officer, who cursed us and acted very impolite.
Okay. That's what
And
you're
so we
figuring out.
left.
So
We
you're not
left.
in trouble.
Yes.
You're working through it. All I'm asking is that your windows roll down for our safety, okay?
Yes.
That's all I'm asking for,
Okay,
all
well,
right?
I want to video this over here because,
And that is your right. We've got our video on and everything
Yes.
as well, okay?
yes.
All right. So can you just roll down the window the rest of the way? for me?
I will only, because of the dog, ma'am, it's not, I don't want to, because when you roll it down all the
Do you
way,
have any weapons inside the vehicle?
no, we
Okay.
do not.
Is
We
there
are,
anything I need to be
you don't
concerned
have
about?
any reason to be concerned about us. You're armed. We have a little reason to be concerned because I've had several very bad incidences with the police before
Okay.
who have wrongly tased me and held me at gunpoint. And so I have an anxiety with the police.
Okay. Well, I hope we don't get
But
to
you
anything like that
understand, I want
tonight.
you to understand that I've had lots of police officers in my family, and I respect and like police officers because I like what they do, but I also like them to know the Constitution. And that security guard did not know the Constitution.
Well, he's not police, so you gotta understand. He might
I
not
understand.
have the same
And
training.
what my friend said was, when he called the 911 call,
Uh-huh.
he said that security officer was not aware, and that's what he wanted you all to do, is to make him aware that what he was doing was harassing us. And then when my friend tried to tell him, he began to curse.
Okay.
And I had that on video, and I said, that's very impolite.
I can understand how that
Yes.
would feel very frustrating.
Yes. Please, please, please,
Why
please.
don't we start with names? My name's Sam. What's your name?
I am to Telestai Trust.
Tatelestai Trust?
Yes.
That's a unique name. I don't hear that one very often. Where's that coming from?
That's just my name.
Say that again?
That is just my name.
Okay. All right.
did the security officer say?
I think he was just saying you guys were hanging out a little suspiciously. He didn't honestly give a lot of information.
We had to install our it got very cold. We're looking for land, and I had 2 appointments today. Okay, and looked at 3 properties, but our gas went out, so we have to heat the RV with the generator. And we have to unload it and load it, and it's hard. So we went and bought a mount, and we've stopped so we could mount that generator and not have to work so hard, because it's hard doing what we do. We both run nonprofit trusts. We're both establishments of religion, and we're both just trying to serve the public and find our niche.
I believe you.
Yes, I located from here, from another state, and I've been here for about, I don't know.
Are you guys in Florida? That's where your
That's where I'm
license plates
originally from, yes. I relocated my trust, which is registered with the Secretary of State. I relocated it to here to Colorado to continue my ministry here. So we're very peaceful people, non-violent, and very law-abiding.
Okay. Yeah, I think you just kind of honestly spooked us a little bit, and that's why we have the response. We're just trying to get to know what's going on, get to know you, so I appreciate you talking
And
to us,
understand
okay?
this, when I bought this RV in Colorado in June, the first place, I bought it not far from Grand Junction, and the very first place that I stayed that night, because it was very late, was the Walmart parking lot.
Yeah.
Yes, and there, it was several other people there as well. And so when he approached us that way, that was such a surprise, because I haven't been back to Grand Junction since June. The first week in June was when I bought this. And what ordinance got passed that doesn't allow you to do that anymore? Because Walmart is one of my biggest clients.
Well, Walmart's private property, and so if they deem that they don't want someone on their property, they're legally allowed to have them removed. So,
Well, did they ask to have us removed?
I'm not sure what happened today. I'd have to give it the other
I don't
officer.
think they did.
I don't know that
I don't
was the
think they
case.
did, because we are such good clients of Walmart.
And so do you know if he gave the other officer registration insurance for you guys?
No, he tried to ask his name and exchange paperwork, but he wouldn't. The guy refused. He wouldn't identify
The security
him.
officer or
Yes,
this officer?
the
Okay,
security
did this
officer. Yes.
ask for and did you guys give that to him?
I think so. I
Okay.
think all of that has been done. Yes.
Well, it was Telestai?
Tetelestai.
Tetelestai.
That's the last thing that Jesus said on the cross. Tetelestai.
Is
It
that-
means it is finished, paid in full.
Is that like your legal name that you got at
Yes.
birth, or is that a new name you
Well,
chose?
it is in the state of Florida, and I believe Colorado too. A trust is a person.
Okay.
And I went through a very unfortunate, long, corrupt divorce,
Okay.
which caused some of those incidences that I was alluded to earlier. I think I moved from an area that wasn't so honest, and my husband told me he paid to have those things done to me. And my counselor said that he was a covert narcissist. He did try to kill me. I had to relocate a far way away because he said he would.
Well,
So
I
I
like to know who I'm talking to, and I like to make sure our dispatch knows who I'm talking
Yes.
to. Would it be okay if I got your legal name? I know you talked about the name that you have now.
because
but-
of what I've experienced in the past and what I learned through that experience, and I learned that it was better for me to operate as, it's almost like getting a new identity. I also work through the Attorney General's office in Florida, so they're very aware of these things and also advise these things. So I'm going to do what I think is best for me. And I can tell you I'm a very law-abiding person and always have been. And I've also been an
Well, and
elected
I believe
official.
You. I just want to make sure of that, okay?
Yes, I'm safe. You're
so
safe.
The best way for me to do that is to get your name and date of birth.
Listen.
And then we make sure you're good, and we can
No,
clear all this up and get
I
you guys
have
out
already
of here.
given you everything that I need to give you. And that's, if you would respect that, I really appreciate that. Because here's the other thing. I have a blood sugar issue. We have not eaten since breakfast.
Do you want a medical?
No, what we were going to do, we were not going to stay the night there. I don't like to stay in the Walmart parking lot personally because I've learned that
Okay.
it's just not a good place to be
Well,
at
do you
night.
want an ambulance here right now
No,
to come check you out?
no, I want to be gone and I want to go eat.
Okay.
I actually had prepared our food and I had to pack it up and leave because we haven't eaten. I fed the dog, but neither he nor I have eaten since breakfast.
Okay.
And we've been working hard, and
Well,
we're tired.
Tetelestai, right?
Tetelestai.
Tetelestai, sorry.
Yes.
Keep messing it up. I just want you to hang out here. Just keep being cooperative
you.
like you're being. Okay, I'm going to get with another
Thank you.
officer, all right?
Thank you.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
I'm cold, so can I roll this up a little? And then I'll roll it back
you
down.
need- no,
Okay,
you need
all
to
right,
keep
I'll leave it
I'll
there.
let you leave it halfway, but you got
Okay.
to keep it there.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.